Commercial Property Grounds Maintenance Business, East Gosford, New South Wales. If you want to start your own business, add a secondary income, or expand your current business, listen up. This long-established commercial property grounds maintenance business offers a reliable income plus flexible working days and hours. The current owner is selling the established client database only, with an annual turnover of $28,000 and $20,000 profit. That's for just 3 days work a week, so imagine the growth potential this successful business offers. With no set contracts, clients are supplied by commercial real estate, strata managers and owners. The business offers good growth potential by simply increasing working hours, expanding your client base and marketing the service.